When you own a home, there's never a lack of things crapping out on you. So that's why I bought this new ceiling light off of Amazon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ceiling light that's in my ceiling out. I'm going to wire this new one up, and I'm going to show you, what it looks like installed. And we'll do an unboxing video with this light, and I'll show you what to expect when you open the box. So the light that I'm replacing is a ceiling light right here. The problem with it, it's an LED light that I bought off of Amazon a while ago, and the LED bulb burnt out, and it's built into the light and you can't replace it. So right now it looks like that. It's kind of dim, and I'm gonna take this out, wire up the new light, and put it in. Let's get this open. Let's see what is in here. All right, now that my son's done vacuuming, I didn't even know he knew what a vacuum was. We're going to continue on with the video. All right. Hey, you don't want to lose the globe. That might roll out on you. So, comes the light, LED. Here is the glass globe for it. Looks like that. Some hardware in there, a couple screws, some wire ties. And here is the base. Typical wiring, neutral, hot, and the ground wire right there. So I'm going to go install this into the ceiling, and I'll get it installed, and I'll show you what it looks like installed. We'll turn it on. All right, so I'm going to take this old ceiling light out. This one just happens to twist and lock into place. And you're going to want to make sure your power is off, which I know it is. So your black wire is typically your hot wire, your power wire, your live wire. And then white's usually neutral, and then this would be your ground. So that's what the light looks like installed. It's pretty easy to wire up, and it was like 26 bucks. It wasn't that much money. And like I said before, there's a link in the description of the video. Click on the link and you'll go right over to Amazon. You can check it out there.